I think we're going to have to ditch the flip-flops. We're heading off into the bush, so it's time to put the boots on.
What are your first thoughts?
Probably weather for it.
Is that what you I thought you were going to say something nice about the mountain. Is this just like nothing for you? You're like, a bit of rain.
It's too warm.
No, it's like I don't like the rain at all.
It's too warm for him.
But this one, you could see it was in trees, but you can't generally tell the elevation. It's not going to be too bad. It's not going to be too bad. The purple track is where we're trying to get to. As you get closer, you zoom in so that you get it a bit more accurate as you get to the point. This is where shit gets real, guys.
What did that guy say to you?
He said something in Slovenian, and I went, English, and he went, okay then, and he went, yeah. My eyes are stinging because the sun cream's running into it.
I think we should go down that direction.
Yeah, come on. We need a photo of you here. We're at the Point of Inaccessibility for Slovenia.
Amazing.
Yeah, just a little climb. 120 metres with about 240 metres of elevation, it seems. It's probably 1 for 1 actually. It's probably 120 elevation. Huh? That's probably better than the trees and stuff behind, isn't it?